Famous companies such as Coca-Cola, Google, Amazon, Nintendo, Tesla, Apple are not famous just for the sake of it. This is all thanks to a number of factors, all of which amount to the fact that they have successfully built strong brands. They are unique, recognizable physically and online. These companies can dare to boast of a host of loyal clients that have stuck with them from the beginning. Let's take a look at MTN. MTN is a telecommunication company, and what makes them stand out is their branding. Wherever you see the color yellow, you know that this is MTN. They have a branding language. Why are they able to increase the charges on mobile money transactions, yet people still stick with them? That is because they have managed to build brand loyalty. They have understood who their customers are, what they want, and are communicating effectively using their brand language. Branding is all about creating a uniform and unique identity for an individual, group, or cause. As a branding specialist, brand designer, or a part of a branding team, you might find yourself carrying out one of the following activities in the branding process: creating a brand, deliberating on choosing a brand name, creating a startup's brand identity, or redesigning the brand identity of an already existing company. At the beginning of my journey as a graphic designer, I used to get confused between the terms branding, a brand, and brand identity. A brand has to do with building a culture, defining an organization's values and personality. You can make use of a brand strategy to penetrate a market, and that will involve you coming up with visuals. That leads me to brand identity. A brand identity is about using visual elements to make a company stand out from its competitors and recognizable to its customers. While branding is a persistent process of identifying, establishing, and managing the positive perception of a company's brand, and at the same time making sure that they stand out from their competitors.